Namaste. My name is Pawan Sharma. I live in UK. Today I welcome you in Jaan Hai Jahan Hai. So little bit about myself. I am a yoga teacher and a holistic health coach. I have been practicing yoga, pranayam and a healthy lifestyle for many years. I transformed myself completely. मैंने अपनी लाइफ को पूरी तरह से चेंज किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ योग, प्राणायाम एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. और जाने जहान है एक बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. इट्स अ रियली गुड इनिशिएटिव इन दिस टाइम. सो दे आर गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ योग सेशन बाय राज सिंह दहिया. ही इज अ योग टीचर एज वेल. सो उससे पहले मैं आपको कुछ उपयोग और सूक्ष्म व्यायाम और बिफोर योग व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट. सो अंटिल देन व्हेन दे डू दैट सेशन, जब ये सेशन हो उससे पहले आप जो मैं आज आपको बताने जा रहा हूं, अगर आपने कभी योग नहीं किया है, अगर आप इसको आज से शुरू कर दें और जब तक वो सेशन है तब तक करें, तो आप उस सेशन के लिए पूरी तरह मानसिक और फिजिकली आप उसके लिए तैयार हो जाएंगे. तो बहुत ही सिंपल चीजें हैं. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू टू सिट डाउन ऑन द फ्लोर और ऑन योर मैट. एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट पोस्चर्स हाउ यू सिट. सो आई एम सिटिंग इन द सिद्धासना. सो वन लेग इज फोल्डेड लाइक दैट, another leg is on top of that. So that is the Siddhasana. You can sit in Sukhasana as well, just normal cross leg position. So that is the Sukhasana. Or you can sit in Dandasana as well, like that. In all these three positions, in सब में आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी, your backbone should be straight. So that is the main thing. So आप किसी भी पोजीशन में बैठ जाइए. मैं बैठ रहा हूं सिद्धासन में, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट. तो सबसे पहले हम अपने माइंड को फोकस करेंगे कि हम ये करने जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज माइंड इज फ्लिकरिंग, माइंड इज गोइंग हियर एंड देयर. वॉट एवर यू डू, इफ यू पुट योर माइंड 100%, then you get the result. So today we are going to firstly put focus fully here, mind control. So the best thing to control your mind is to pay attention on your breath, on your living force. So sit nicely on the Sukhasana, your hands in the Gyan Mudra, your thumb touching the first finger, the other three fingers is straight, like that. And gently put these Gyan Mudras, hand on your knees, spine is straight. Just normal breathe in and breathe out. And pay attention on your breathing, eyes closed. Because I have a limited time, but when you do this practice, you can do this at least for a couple of minutes. And then now you will see that you are calm, your mind is calm and focused. So let's start with the Sukshma Vyayam. So the first thing first, put your left hand on the right knee and your right hand is straight, touching your ear. Inhale. Exhale, bend down on your left as much as you can. Listen to your body gently, slowly, and look at your hand. And stay here. Normal breathe in, breathe out. And now come to your normal position. Now right hand on left knee. Left hand is straight, touching your ear. Inhale. Exhale. Again, look at your hand. Normal breathe in, breathe out, and come to your normal position. And now, inhale, exhale, just walk by your hands as much as you can. You are still sitting on the mat. आप अभी भी मैट पर बैठे हुए हो, और अब you can put your forehead onto the mat. Just surrender yourself. And now normal breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, come to your normal position. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Now your hands. अब अपने हाथों को इस तरह से पीछे रखिए. And inhale and lift up. Exhale, come down. Now stretch your legs. Normal breathe in, breathe out. So yog, the real name is yog, not yoga. Yog is a connection. So establishment with yourself, with the nature. So the connection is already there. We are not going to create a new connection, but we are going to realize that connection. So yoga, pranayams are the blessing to humankind. We are sitting in the Siddhasana now. The spine is straight. Just normal inhale, exhale, touch your feet. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and now go a little bit further as much as you can go. Inhale, exhale, and now stay here. Normal breathe in, breathe out. And come down. Now please stand up on your mat. Now we are going to do some more Sukshma Vyayam, micro exercises. Most of the people just straightway start the yoga asanas. That is not recommended. You should do these Sukshma Vyayam. So this will give you some heat in your body and some movement to your joints. This is really good and it will avoid any injury or any harm to the body. So firstly we are going to do the Tar Asana. Look at me first and then you can do it with me. So interlock your hands. अपने हाथों को इस तरह से कर लीजिए और ये हाथ दोनों मेरे सर के ऊपर. And inhale. While I'm inhaling, I am standing on my toes and my hands are like that, touching the ears, and look in front of you at one particular point. Exhale, come down. I'll show you one more time. Inhale. I'm on my toes, looking in front of me. Really good for your concentration, really good for your toes, your feet, and overall alignment of the body. Exhale. Tadasana, really good. Now, we are going to do little jogging, just on spot jogging. People really make excuses, or it's so cold, I can't go to gym, this and that, but you can do jogging on the spot like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will increase the heart rate, and you need to increase your heart rate at least a couple of times in a day. It's really good for your blood circulation and for your overall health. 1, 2, 1, 2, like that. Very gently, slowly. Listen to your body. If you have any knees problem, then you need to listen to your doctor. Then according to your health condition, if you fit and fine, just do it very slowly, and you can increase the speed now. Like that, and now you can do like that. Normal breathing, breathe out. Really good for your overall health. Just do it for 5 times, 5 minutes, I mean. Normal breathe in, breathe out. And now little gap on your both feet like that. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे gap रखेंगे. Hands like that, and now like that. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Really good for your backbone, your glutes, your thighs, like that. Come to normal position. Now some things for our shoulder. Put your left hand all the way back, right hand on the left elbow, and now inhale, exhale, going towards your right as much as you can. Come to your normal position. Now right hand all the way back, left hand on your elbow, inhale, exhale, come to your normal position. Now interlock your hands, inhale, exhale on my left, no bend on the knees, hands still touching your ears. Inhale, exhale. अब अपने आप राइट साइड झुकेंगे जितना झुक सकते हैं, कोई बैंड नहीं नी में, आपके हाथ अभी भी आपके कानों को टच कर रहे हैं. And now interlock your hands and inhale, exhale, make the 90-degree angle with your body, your hands in the sky. Now inhale, look up, exhale, look down, inhale, look left, exhale, look right, and now just rotate clockwise. Inhale, and when you're looking back, then exhale. When you are in front, inhale, again inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So these are the Sukshma Vyayam. So I would request you to do that until the live session from Jaan and Jahan hai from Raj Singh Dhaya. And I really hope that they are doing the great job by doing these yoga sessions, pranayams. I think you would like to tell your friends and family to follow Jaan and Jahan hai page or join their WhatsApp group. There are so many healthy things coming up, so please stay tuned and keep yoga and be happy. Namaste.